Hello everyone, welcome to Grow with Google Cloud. And today I am going to talk about if in case in Google Cloud BigQuery accidentally some BigQuery table deleted, then how will restore that? So I'll be talking about that, and once the BigQuery table is deleted, then how we'll recover that, right? So let's go ahead and show the demo in action. For example, I have a BigQuery project, then I have a dataset, demo dataset, and I have one table, demo table. So the table name is demo table, and the details which you can see, the number of records, number of row 41,715, and total logical bytes 6.66 MB data. So if in case my table deleted, then how will recover that? So let me, for example, in demo purpose, let me delete this. Now let me refresh. As you can see, there is no my demo table already deleted. So let me quickly check logs. So as you can see, the deleted table logs which I can found now. So what you have to do first after deletion, if in case the deletion happen accidentally, so you just this query you will put like resource type bigquery dataset and the table name which table is already deleted, and then click on the activity, then you just run the query, then you can filter out like in what time the table already deleted. So but here one of the major things you have to catch up once you check the log, so which time the table deleted, right? So the timestamp, you'll check the timestamp, so make sure that this timestamp you just copy it. Let me copy the timestamp, right? So what you will have to do, so the timestamp you have to put here, and the deletion retention policy, what you will do, the Unix time you have to convert into Unix time as per the Google documentation. This documentation I'll share with you in description box. So date hyphen d, then the timestamp you will, but make sure that the exact timestamp will not put over here, just before 2 minutes or 1 minute or maybe 5 minutes, the difference you can put here, then will generate the Unix time, right? So let me create the Unix time set, uh, and let me change the time like here the creation time I just created. Okay, so recently I created for the demo purpose. The creation time is 9 dataset 1937, and the deletion 53. So what I will do, so I'll change the time 53 to for example 40, right? 1940. So let me select the 1940 over here, or 50. 50, and now let me change the timestamp here, paste over here, and then copy this one and execute over here to generate Unix time. So once created, copy this time and paste here, right? And the command to restore bqcp, then my project id, my dataset id, and my table id. So this one my project id and my demo dataset and my demo table. So let me copy and paste over here. Make sure that after project you have to put the colon, right? And similarly, suppose you want to restore your table, and restore name should be something my project and dataset and restore name, restore table name. Copy here, let me and here make sure that you will put colon demo dataset and restore demo table. Let me change the name, restore demo table, right? So now my CLI command is ready, so I'll execute in this CLI, right? So make sure that everything is perfect. My demo host project, the project name, then my demo dataset, demo table, then the Unix time which we converted, then the restore table name, project, and dataset and dot restore table name, right? So make sure that everything is looks good. Okay, yeah. Based on this Google provided syntax, so everything is set. So now let me execute. Let me click on authorized. Let me put password. Okay, so let me use gcloud auth login. Gcloud auth login. Yes, let me authorize with a continue. Continue. Allow. Let me copy and paste over here to authenticate. So now again let me execute the CLI command. So now my table is restored. So now let me quickly check, refresh my browser and check. So as you can click on my data, my project, then my dataset, and as you can see, restore my table and quickly check the data is available or not. As you can see, the data is already after deleted, then I restore. How I restore my deleted table, you see. And details, if we click on details, so the size, the number of row was 41,000 41,715, and size of data was 6.16 MB. So if you want to rename the same table name what exactly in the previous one, so how will What will do that? For that, I'll tell you what will do. So for that, you have to execute one query. This is one simple query to change the exact name which was earlier, right? So what we'll do here, we'll just execute the query here. Suppose my data set, my table, and my new table. Suppose based on this, my data set, demo data set, and my table is the demo table, right? So let me check. This is my current table name, my restore table name, and my new table name would be demo table name. Exactly, previous it was deleted. So let me put that demo table and demo dataset, and currently now after restore the name was restore demo table. So what I'll do, I'll execute it. Let me run that. So now my restore demo table will be changed in the my previous demo table. Earlier it was. So if any bigquery table accidentally deleted, then how quickly recover with the and the same name, you whatever you have configured the same table with your automation task. So how will coming to your same name through this SQL query, it will change to the previous name, right? So let me quickly refresh. As you can see, right now the previous table name was demo table, as you can see, and the data as it is same, whatever the data earlier, how many number of row and whatever the size of data, and if you preview the data is already in place. Once data deleted, so within 7 days you can recover your data. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful. If your big query table accidentally deleted, then how will quickly recover? This is the process all about. Hope this video will be helpful. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and I hope don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get this informative video. Thank you. Bye bye.